In this video, I want to give you my 3 altcoin ideas I would definitely buy in right now and open long positions after the big correction we saw in the yesterday. So definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then let's start directly with the first coin. It's Solana. Our support level, so we can mark it now as a resistance level. Same goes for this one here. It kind of also got resistance. Now the support level is here kind of holding at 160 US dollars. So there we also get continuous move now to the upside. So here it's very important that we're holding this structure. Otherwise we can potentially go down all the way to 154 US dollars or even closer to 144 US dollars. But as we can see here right now, the 4-hourly candle is still pointing to the upside, green candle. So it gave us the momentum. So here it's very important that we reclaim our resistance levels, found it as or switch it as support, and then see continuation to the upside. So next trade target would be, or next trade setup would be here. We're breaking this, get a retest, and then we can trade this to the upside. When we mark it as a long position, as I told you, wait for the retest, and then we can trade this all the way up to 200 US dollars would be my price target. Also here the same one, it still remain. Stop loss definitely under this low here, because I can potentially imagine that we came a little bit more down after the retest. But as I told, wait for the retest here. We can also, if you're waiting there, we can make the stop loss quite closer here. If you just entered right now, make sure to make your stop loss here down below this low. Then when we look on our Ethereum position, it's kind of still in profit, so no need to worry over there. If you didn't be in this Ethereum position I shared last days, you can just enter it if we already get the retest here. So just wait. If we get a second retest over there, then we can enter. Otherwise, keep it running. Should be all in profit. You should be already took your partial profits over here. So you can just reinvest it right now, or at least put your stop loss to break even, so to protect also your risk. That was also the reason I told you grab some profits here, because we have a super big support level over there. So even if we are reaching the support level over there, I expect again a retest before we break through to 3,000 US dollars on the high potential trade target. Next trade up I would give you is here on this link trade. We got again a rejection on this resistance line over there. So I hope here that also this level will be held, that we are going a little bit sideways. And we came very, very close right now also to the support level again. So at this moment, we grab the support, get a retest. There we also can enter for a position for a link. Price target would be all the way, like 20 US dollars would be the first trade target. I also mentioned here, but we can also mark here the next trade. So at the point we are getting the retest, we can enter here, make the stop loss quite there. If you want to buy spot, you can directly enter right now. For futures, I would definitely wait. So here we have definitely a trade setup up to 26 US dollars would be definitely my trade setup. When we get the next one is AVAX. AVAX the same on the 4-hourly chart. We are reaching our buy zone right now, so we can definitely open here also our long position. Trade setup would be all the way here, stop loss under our buy zone, and the first take profit would be 27 US or 26 US dollars. But we have all the possibility to came up here to 32 US dollars. So this gave us a 50% move to the upside. Make sure to take some profits on the way, especially if you're going on a spot position. You can just enter right now. It's a super great opportunity to buy also here AVAX. Next one would be XRP. Also on XRP, we are great possibility here in our buy zone here right now. Super strong buy zone. We can also take here definitely a spot position to the upside or also open some long position. We need to keep in mind that we're having a lot of wicks down under here. So if you open a long position, make sure that even you wait for the retest here, or you set your stop loss at least down these wicks. Kinda wait for a retest, and then we can trade this to $2.80. So as I told you, wait here for the retest, and then you can enter the position here on XRP. Before I want to end this video, let's have a look on the total market cap. So here we are on the total market cap. We get also a rejection because many altcoins are bleeding. So here it's very important that we're holding this line down here. It gave us the possibility to came a little bit lower, what could be also grab some liquidity of some altcoins, like a 2% move to the downside. But even if we get through this resistance over there, then we can definitely expect here a move to the upside. We're still here on this uptrend, and this is very important that we are holding this uptrend here. So we have a low, a higher low, and even if we hold this, we have also a higher low. So if we hold this level down here, nothing to worry. Also the same on Bitcoin, we're going there back again on the 4-hourly chart. When we're zooming a little bit out, we see here that potentially we can retest the all-time high from December last year. Would be all the makes sense to grab the liquidity down there. But as I showed you on the liquidation heat map, there is no liquidity. Liquidity is all the way up to the upside. So it makes no sense to get the move to the downside, more to the upside, and then shoot down when the liquidity is building up. So in my mind, we see here like a little bit consolidation, and then get the move to the all-time high, shoot a little bit higher, or get a directly rejection, and then grab the liquidity here on 100,000 US dollars. So this would be my idea, especially when we go in the summer. That would be like around like end of this month, end of next month, we could see that we are getting a retest there, and kind of go in the summer low, I would say. So this is also what I'm expecting for the next days. And that's it all for this video today. We have seen a lot of liquidity grab it in the last days, so hopefully this day will be a green day, and then I hope I see you also with some profits. I gave you a lot of trade setups here with some altcoins in the next video tomorrow.